continue our previous topic. We are discussing how the state governments work. So now we have seen that previously that MLAs debate in the Legislative Assembly, and some school students are on the tour and they are watching the debate taking place. So we have seen that different questions were asked by the ruling party and opposition, or the uh, losing party were answering for them. So now the conclusion of the debate is that in the earlier section you have read about the debate in the Legislative Assembly. The members were debating the action taking or not in the government. Means whenever they are questioning, so the answer was there, whatever the action they have taken or not taken. This is because then MLA are together responsible for the work of the government, and in common uses of the government refers to the to government departments and various minister with head them. Are you getting this point? Means when we are talking about the what is government? Government means various people who are in the government department, and ministers who head them means the particular area they are having, like overall head of the chief minister when we are talking about states. And then more correctly it is called the executive part of the government. Remember I told about you organ, legislative, executive, and judiciary. So this is legislative, executive, and judiciary. So we are talking about this part. Then all the MLAs who gather together in assemble in the legislative assembly are called the legislature, and they are one who authorized and supervised the work. We saw earlier in the section it is from the among them, and that head of the executive or the chief minister is formed. Means how the assembly took place, we have seen that mainly the person who won became the chief minister of the state, and rest of the people, like rest of the MLAs who are appointed, they get the particular department. So work of the government, like the legislative assembly is not only the place where opinion are expressed, but it's about the work that the government and the action is demanding. Means it is not the place like where how the government work. Means is that the opinion that are expressed about the government and the action is demanded. Action is demanded, like in the comic picture we have read that the diseases are spreading, lack of water is there. Means people are demanding that disease should not spread and water availability should be there, clean water should be provided, hygiene should be required. So we will find the newspaper, TV channels, and other organization regularly taking talking about the government. Generally you see the debate on the television, the demand of the people. In democracy there are various ways through which the people express their views and also take action. That let's look in such way. Like soon after the discussion, the assembly in the assembly, then there was press conference. Generally you have noticed that whenever you can say parliament session is taking place, a legislature is taking place, so after when they people come out from the house, so what happened, you see generally some reporters are waiting for them and they ask question after questions. सो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय द हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, और कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि वो खुद भी कॉन्फ्रेंस टाइप का एक ऑर्गेनाइज कर लेते हैं ताकि डायरेक्टली दे कैन आंसर द reporters. Also the means they could reach to the people. So large number of the people from different newspapers were present, and ministers and some governments officials were also present. पूरा टीम जो होता है साथ में उनके present होता है. Then the ministers explained the steps the government had taken. Reporter asked many questions at this meeting. Means we can't say कि the reporters are not having the knowledge. They also having the knowledge about the area. So sometimes they, on their own behalf or the people behalf, they ask such questions which are very much answerable by this ministerial department. So had taken report and asked many question of this meeting and discussion. साथ साथ वो मीटिंग से भी क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड पूछते हैं, क्या डिस्कशन हुआ भाई, कैसे हुआ, क्या मतलब क्या रिएक्शन था, क्या एक्शन था ओपोजिशन का, और मतलब वो भी पूछ लेते हैं कि जो पर्टिकुलर नियरली सराउंडिंग एरिया में हो रहा है. So these discussions are then reported in the different newspaper. Then we people read the newspaper and statement we read whatever the minister said about the topics. So the following page has such of the report. In the next page, you will see that such kind of report is available. So during the next week, the chief minister and the health minister for health visited Patalpuram district, and they went and to visit the families who had lost their relatives, and also visited the people hospital, and the government announced the compensation for the families. And the chief minister also said that he thought the problem was not only one sanitation but also the lack of the clean drinking water. He said that high level quality inquiry committee will be asked to look into the needs of the district and provide the sanitation facilities, and would request the minister for public works and take care of the needs of the proper water supply in the region. So this was the very big and huge problem of the region, so which the by the minister has been surveyed. Sometimes you see the minister is coming and with the rallies taking places. So means is what is that behind, particularly when some problem take place. Now, what the news clipping we are talking about, the newspaper generally such kind of uh, article we read, some time of news we read. So the government smells the garbage and chief minister promised the fund of the, मतलब एक थोड़ा जैसे न्यूज़पेपर में जो राइटर्स होते हैं या जर्नल्स होते हैं, रिपोर्टर्स होते हैं, वो अपनी लैंग्वेज को भी थोड़ा हाईलाइट करते हैं. ठीक है, कि मतलब गवर्नमेंट को भी कूड़े की बदबू आई, ऐसा करके कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. हिंदी इंग्लिश इज डिफरेंट. So during the last week, there have been many deaths in some in the district and our state, and there has been a strong reaction that government has not taken this seriously, and the health minister explained today and the press conference that this government asks to all the collectors and the chief medical officers to take the urgent measures, and the most important problem is that drinking water. तो ये उन्होंने सारा का सारा पब्लिश कर दिया, छाप दिया कि जो जो चीज़ें उनसे पूछी गई है जिसके लिए वो आंसरेबल है. The minister said that they intend to supply the drinking water to every village through tanker truck. उन्होंने ये भी कहा नहीं, अब ऐसा नहीं होगा, हमारी गवर्नमेंट पानी भी देगी और सैनिटेशन का भी ध्यान देगी. द चीफ मिनिस्टर हैज प्रॉमिस्ड फंड्स फॉर द वर्क, और इसके लिए पैसा भी अलॉट कर दिया गया. So they also plan to start a campaign, inform the people about the steps that can be taken to prevent the diarrhea. ये भी स्टेप लेगी कि वो डायरिया को कैसे खत्म करें. When the reporter asks him to what steps are being taken to see the garbage that has been lying around the for the months is quickly collected, and chief minister said that he would look into this. ये अब तक क्यों इकट्ठा नहीं हुआ, क्यों नहीं हटाया गया, इसको वो जल्दी ही एक्शन लेंगे. So such kind of information we get from the newspaper. So in this video till here we discuss. Next video we'll discuss the next paragraph. Okay.